Hi, this is Emily the Songbird, and today we're going to go over the strumming for flowers. So there's a number of ways to do it, right? The main thing is this is in 4/4 time, so you get 4 beats on each one of those chords. So A minor is 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor 1, 2, 3, 4, G 2, 3, 4, C 2, 3, 4. So with those 4 beats, you can do a lot of different things, right? If you're just starting, you can just do a single strum and hold it for 4 beats, and then if you're moving on, you could do like a a down up strum. We were good, kind of good, oh dream that can't be sold, right? So that would be a good way to do it. You could also do a down, down, up, down strum, which is your island strum. We were good, kind of dream. Now notice I have a little bit of a chuck that I do when I'm doing that. And I also, when I decided to play it, I just grab the strings. I have my thumb on the A string, and then I make that, I have my pointer finger on the G string and the B string and the E string, and I pull it, I pluck it that way, and then that's the first beat, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then I grab it again as I do that down, down, up, down strum. So we were good. Then I do the same thing on that D minor, but I shift my thumb to the D string. We were good. Then on the E string, kind of dream that can't be, and then go to the C string and do it on the A string. So we were right till we were, build a home and watched it burn. So I like having that percussion in there in a certain way, right? It gives that a little bit of a a charge to it, a little intensity, right? So, but if you're not there, and sometimes that chuck or that palm mute is a little tricky, but you can practice, just hitting your hand against the strings or by the sound hole, and then you could even sing the words. We were good, 2, 3, we were gold, 2, kind of dream that can't be sold, 2, 3, we were right, 2, 3, till we weren't, right? So you get that pulse. The main thing, especially if you're singing and playing, is getting the groove with it, right? So your body feels when those shifts are occurring, and then it stays in rhythm. I remember when I first started playing the guitar, because I love to dance, I still love to dance, but I didn't know how to get that movement from my full body into my hands. And so I was always moving and grooving my whole body. So, but we need to take that energy and we need to move it into the hands and isolate it. But then the singing, right, is back to the body. So doing this, and you can just practice, doing it separately. And again, break it down. 1 strum. You can do a half note strum if you want. You could do just a 1/4 note strum if that's too tricky. You could also then do the down up strum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then of course the next step. And if the plucking the strings doesn't work, just do a down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, D minor, down, up, down, G, and a C. And I'm reminded now, actually, I have one nail that is super long. It's my pinky nail. And so this is the one that wasn't hitting the string correctly. So anyway, I'm gonna have to chop that off before my next video, but I think this is good enough to show you the strumming. So hope you have a magical, musical, and miraculous rest of your day. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And join me over at my Find Your Song guitar course at emilythesongbird.com to check it out. And the first 10 people who join will get a free session with me, and we'll bring some nail clippers so we can clip our nails and make sure we have all that good finger picking going on and good strumming. So take care. Bye-bye.